Baby steps are the key. See, normally what we are doing, we all are having one goal, be it long term or short term. So, whatever goal we have decided, if we think always about that end point of your goal, the journey would seems to be a difficult one. We would be having so many questions in our mind that how we will reach, what would be the obstacles in between and all. So it's rightly said that it's always advisable that we have to split our goal into small steps, I would say. For example, if I am reading any particular book, say for example 500 books, but whenever I am going to read that book, I'm always thinking that, oh, 500 book, how much time and all it will take. So rather than, see, anyhow I have to finish that book, I have to read, understand what are the contents in that. So if I always think about that, if 500 page means I will think how I will reach 500, it won't work. I need to be an action taker. Even 1122 pages also, if I am reading, there would be a time when I would be in a position to finish that entire book. But that 1122 pages continuously I have to read. So rather than thinking on the 500 page when I would reach, it's better to divide into small steps, like in one day 2 pages, 3 pages, based on our time, based on our interest and all. So these baby steps for any particular work. In this example, I talked about a particular book. In any things, whatever you are doing in your life, try to divide it in small pieces. Then it will be easy for you to reach over there. For example, in an exam also, say before final exam, 2, 3 or minimum 4 unit tests used to be there. So if you at one point of time, if you think about first unit test in first quarter, second one in second quarter, then slowly when the final exam will come, you would be in a position to study all the syllabus and you can perform well in your final exams. So always try to divide your long term goals or big goals into small ones. It would be easy for you to continue your journey. Thank you so much for watching, friends.